I just finished writing a book. How can I make money from it? I've heard this question over and over and over again. If you'd like to learn how to make money from your books, then keep watching. Hi, my name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. If this is something that you are interested in, then you'll want to hit the subscribe button below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money writing books. Yes, writing books is one way that you can make money as a writer. And if you're wondering, why is it even important for me to write a book in the first place? Then you want to watch this video here where I discuss 5 important reasons why you should write your book today. Now, as an author or an intending author, you set monetary goals and non-monetary goals for your books. And I'm sure that one of the primary monetary goals that you set for your book is to make money, of course. But how do you achieve this? The first thing is to have an income plan or strategy. You should have this plan before you even start writing your book. However, set realistic income goals for yourself. For example, if you tell yourself that you want to make $1 million from your book in a month, it's possible, but is it achievable? It's important that you set smart goals. For instance, let's say you're selling your book at $1 each. And you already have 100 copies printed, so that's $100. Even if you don't have printed copies and you're selling ebooks, you intend to sell 100 copies of those ebooks, so that's $100 in total. The question that you have to ask yourself is, how am I going to achieve this $100? Do I want to make this $100 in a month? Do I want to make it in 2 weeks? Do I want to make it in 2 months? Then if you intend to make it like in a month, you have to ask yourself, how many copies am I going to sell every day to be able to achieve $100 in a month? Now you do the math and set that daily income target for yourself. The second point is start marketing your book early. Nobody is going to know about your book if you don't talk about it. Talk about it everywhere. Talk about it on social media. Talk about it when you meet with people. You can actually share stories around your writing journey and experiences. For example, how did you feel when you started writing your book? You can share it in a post. Or what are the challenges that you passed through when you were writing your book? You can share it in a post on social media. If you are doing interviews for your book, you can actually share snippets of these interviews on social media. You can also post pictures on social media of activities or events surrounding your book writing journey. This is a great way to start a conversation around your book. Number 3, don't stop talking about your book. I know I cannot overemphasize talking about your book or marketing your book because this is key for making money from your books. Whether or not you intend to officially launch your book, you should have a launch plan or a launch strategy. It could be a 14-day launch plan or a 1-month launch plan, which is a 30-day launch plan. Now you use this launch plan to whet the appetite of your readers or to create conversations around your book. This is just a typical example of a 7-day book launch plan. On the first day, you can post a behind-the-scene picture and ask people to guess what you are doing. This will help to create curiosity and whet the appetite of your intending readers. On the second day, you can continue the conversation that you have started in the first day or answer questions that people asked on the day 1 post. On the third day, post a picture of yourself and reintroduce yourself. Make sure to include a vision and mission that aligns with the message behind the book that you intend to launch. On day 4, answer the questions that people have asked in previous posts or start conversations around speculations in the comment sections of previous posts. On day 5, share another behind-the-scene picture with the caption, "Something is cooking." You would use this to rouse curiosity in your intended readers. Now, on day 6, make a post to remind your readers that the next day is the day that you are launching something. You can even ask them to guess what you are launching. Then, on day 7, launch. Talk about your book, the message behind your book, how people can get your book, and the people that this book is meant for. The fourth point is know your message. It's important that you know the message behind your book or the central theme of your book. Knowing your message helps you determine who the book is meant for. That is the target audience for your book. Understanding this helps you to know how to write your book, what kind of language to use, the tone to use, and the way to convey your message. Before you even write your book, it's important that you know your message and your target audience. Note, your book is not meant for everybody. If you say your book is meant for everybody, then it is actually meant for nobody. You have to have somebody in mind or a particular group of people in mind that you are speaking to in your book. If you are getting value so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. How have you been making money from your book? Type in the comment section so that I will know. And last but not least, build a community around your book. Treat your book as a product because that is exactly what it is. Your book has the potential to generate a stream of passive income for you. See your book as an opportunity to create other products and services. For instance, you can convert your book into a course or build a course around your book. You can even build a training around your book. Just know that as an author or intending author with your book, the possibilities are endless. By building a community around your book, the members of the community of your group become raving fans. These people will talk about your book endlessly to other people, and those other people will talk to other people about your book, and then it becomes a chain of endless marketing. Your book can be a ticket that can be used to invite you for a speaking engagement or even grant you a job opportunity. I know this from experience, so don't stop talking about your book. No one can market your book more than you, and marketing your book is a great strategy to making money from your books. I'm certain that these points have been helpful to you. So if you're an intending author, let me know which of these that you're going to be implementing in your marketing strategy. And if you're already an author, let me know how you have made money from your books. Type in the comment section so that I'll know. Keep crushing your writing goals, and I'll see you in the next video.